Bueno, muchísimas gracias. Primero en principal.
First and foremost, I want to say thanks to everyone, to Juventus for the efforts they have made to bring me here, to Manchester City for all the lovely years they gave me, to the club, to the people. I think Juventus made a big effort first and foremost to bring me here. Nelly, Marotta, Fabio, Roberto, with my representatives, they did everything so that I could be here today. Secondly, the responsibility of wearing the number 10 jersey. I take it as it is. Many famous players have worn it, but I've also worn the number 10 at Boca Juniors that Maradona wore as well. So I think that to wear it at a big club like Juventus, the responsibility is even bigger. I respect the number 10 jersey, but it's even bigger here. Yes, also we can't forget Del Piero, the last captain, the last number 10. I respect him a lot. He's one of the big players, one of the real emblems of Juventus, and to use his number 10 shirt is a big honour for me. I know that in Italian football, the Italian people support the team more like they do in Argentina. And no, it didn't surprise me the welcome I received. The Juventus fans are very passionate and have shown me affection from the start, so the truth is, I'm very happy and grateful.